Hey, Six Fivers, Bradley Wilson, your local real estate advisor with another episode of 6 Questions in 5 Minutes. Today I'm on site with one of our favorite local remodelers. Stay tuned. Hey, Six Fivers, Bradley Wilson, your local real estate advisor. Happy to be joined by JMO, Jonathan Moore, owner of JNB Contracting here in Marietta, Georgia. Jonathan, how you doing?
Doing good, Bradley. Thanks for having me on.
Absolutely. It's great to see you.
Thank you, sir.
So tell us a little bit about how this got started for you. How long have you been in the remodeling business here in Marietta, Georgia?
So started doing this back in 2011. Moved back to Marietta out of college. Started flipping houses for 3 years, and then in 2014 we did our first major kind of remodel project. Then it kind of just evolved from there. A lot of it initially was referral based, and then it's just kind of blossomed into what we've got going on today. So probably 11 years total doing construction, and then 8 years doing remodeling.
Fantastic, and you've got an excellent referral business here because you are a highly esteemed Marietta High School alum.
Yeah, it's funny. The project we're in right now is a girl that we went to high school with together. A lot of stuff we've done is people that I've either grown up with, or they know my family or my wife's family. Both of us grew up here. We've lived here our entire life, and a lot of it is just referral based on the familiarity they already have with us.
Excellent. That's a great business to have. So what services do you offer that folks may not know about or that you feel they need to know about that you offer?
So everything we do is primarily inside and around the home. Our specialty is kitchens, bathrooms, basements, pretty much everything you see on HGTV. We have a great full-time crew of guys that have been with me for 11 years. They do our carpentry, they do our drywall, they do our painting. They can do it all. Our specialty subs are phenomenal. Those are our mechanical guys, our plumber, our electrician, our cabinet guys. All of us have all worked together on numerous projects since we started. It's the same crew that we've all had since we started. There's a lot of continuity, there's a lot of familiarity with everybody here, and it kind of makes the project go smooth, which you don't hear a lot about in remodeling and renovation. Having the familiarity all these guys have with each other really helps out tremendously.
Phenomenal. I know your customers are happy to have that cohesive team working together.
Correct.
So, with respect to resale value for potential folks looking to maybe, hey, it's a hot market, I want to list, should I do something inside the home? What can you speak to about maybe the top 2 most valuable remodels for someone inside their home?
So primarily what we tell people is if you're gonna resell and you want to update the home, the 2 places to focus on are the kitchen and the master bathroom. The kitchen is the new family room. That's where everybody kind of gathers. That's where all the kids throw their stuff down and do their homework. And then the master bathroom is primarily where the owners of the house spend a lot of their time. Another saying we like to tell people is, put your money into places that you use. And the majority of the time, that's the kitchen and the master bath. For resale value, what we've seen is prospective buyers will come in through the front door and they go directly to the kitchen. They want to see the kitchen. And then the next thing they see, they want to go upstairs and take a look at the master bathroom. Those are the 2 areas we would tell people to focus, primarily kitchen, master bathroom.
Outstanding, outstanding. So whether you're looking to potentially move or relocate to this area, get in touch with Jonathan here at JNB Contracting and their team will take care of you. So Jonathan, you've already touched a little bit about what makes Marietta great a little bit, but what is it about serving this Marietta community specifically for folks looking to potentially relocate here? What makes Marietta so special?
So, we were just talking about this before we started. We grew up here. Right now, we're a mile from where I went to elementary school. We're a mile from where I grew up. We're 3 miles from where we went to high school. The Marietta Square has completely been revitalized. It's hopping with restaurants and shops and stuff like that, which is 2 miles from where we are right now. The schools are great. Real family atmosphere in the city. A lot of younger families we've seen move back into Marietta, so each neighborhood really has that cohesive group of friends and family and kids and stuff that run around and play with, and we see that a lot in the different neighborhoods that we work in. And it's a great place to live, and it's a great place for us to work.
Very cool. You're raising a young family here. I'm raising a young family here. It's fantastic. So let's switch gears a little bit to our real estate related questions. But before we do, please take a minute and hit the subscribe button down below. You won't regret it. Jonathan, tell us a little bit about your last real estate transaction. Was it pleasant or was it a headache?
The last real estate transaction we did was actually in March of 2020, right in the middle of everything kind of going crazy with COVID. We were at the closing table and we couldn't touch anything. They really didn't even want us to touch the pins. The governor was giving a state of emergency on the television, and it was kind of crazy, so we were happy to kind of get that one closed out. Buying right now is just a crapshoot. Selling is a little bit easier. So our last couple sales have been pretty straightforward.
Very good. Well, the next time, which is probably going to be very soon for you, the next time you go to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, what would you offer up for the audience as your top 2 qualities you would look for in an agent?
So from a buyer's standpoint, having an agent that is patient, having an agent that knows how to write an offer that will catch the seller's eye. For example, the last house that we sold, we put it on the market on a Friday, and by Sunday we had 9 offers.
Wow.
And the one that caught our eye was the one, she was a single mother moving here from Gwinnett County, and she just wrote a letter kind of talking about how she wanted to live in the area and the schools were great. And that just kind of caught our eye, and her offer was the same as all the other ones, but something like that pushed her to the front. From a seller's standpoint, a big quality to have is just an agent that knows how to field all the offers and kind of discern which one is the best, whether it be from a financing standpoint, from a closing date standpoint, what's the best way to get you as the seller your money in your pocket the best and efficient way possible.
Wonderful answer, great insight from a man that really knows the business and knows his stuff here. Jonathan Moore, JMO we called him, with JNB Contracting here in Marietta, Georgia. Please check him out using the link below the video. You can get directly in touch with him and his team and start your next project at your home. And as always, thank you for watching this episode of 6 Questions in 5 Minutes. We'll see you next time.